When your iPhone won't turn on, it creates a number of issues. One of those issues is that you're not able to access your photos. It's a tricky situation when you have all your photos saved on that one device. In today's video, we're going to show you how to recover photos from an iPhone that won't turn on in 2 different circumstances, with backup or without backup. First, let's talk about how to get photos off an iPhone that won't turn on from an iTunes backup. This isn't the iTunes official solution. You're gonna need the help of DBack. Since it can extract photos from your iTunes backup, you can preview the content and selectively choose which photos you want to recover. Plus, you won't need to restore the whole iTunes backup. This all makes DBack way better than the official solution. Simply follow these steps to get your photos from an iPhone that won't turn on. Step 1. Install and launch DBack on your PC. Choose Recover from iTunes Backup. Step 2. Choose the exact iTunes backup from which you want to recover photos, and click Next. If you choose an encrypted iTunes backup, you will need to enter the password for the iTunes encryption. Step 3. Choose the file type you want to recover. We chose photos here. DBack will start to scan. Step 4. The search results will be showed on the interface clearly. Browse them according to your needs or only show the deleted files. And select the exact ones you need. Then, click Recover. It's pretty easy to recover photos from an iPhone that won't turn on when you have an iTunes backup. But what if there's no backup file available? How can you retrieve photos without backup? Well, in the case where your iPhone won't turn on and is simply stuck on recovery mode with the Apple logo, white screen, black screen, or restarting loop, etc., you can opt for Fix-It iOS system. You can easily access your photos after fixing your iPhone. Here are the steps. Step 1. From the Fix iOS System tab, choose Standard Mode. Then connect your device to the computer. Click Next. DBack will proceed to Step 2 if it detects your device. Otherwise, you will be prompted to put your device in DFU or recovery mode first. Please follow the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Confirm the iPhone model and iOS version. Click Download, and it will start to download firmware package. Step 3. After downloading and verifying the firmware, click Start to Fix, and the program will start to fix your iOS automatically. Note that if your device is out of DFU/recovery mode in this step, you have to repeat Step 1 and put your device in DFU/recovery mode again. If the fixing failed, you can retry the standard mode or use advanced mode to fix the iOS issues. Now it's a breeze to access your photos with your revived iPhone. Thanks for your time. Give us a thumbs up and share this video if you liked it.